In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email from Microsoft Access using Microsoft Outlook and bypass the security warning. If you've ever automated email from Microsoft Access, you've probably seen that pop up in Outlook that says a program is trying to send email on your behalf. It's a safety feature, but when you're running trusted intentional automations, it can slow you down. The good news is Outlook includes a built-in way to suppress that warning safely, as long as your antivirus status is healthy. I'll walk you through exactly where to check and what to look for. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app. Make sure you're in the same Windows profile you use for Access, since the trust settings are per user. Once Outlook is open, go to the File tab in the top left corner, then choose Options at the bottom of the menu. This opens the Outlook Options window where all the advanced settings live. On the left side, select Trust Center and then click the Trust Center Settings button. This brings up a separate dialog focused on security and privacy controls that govern how Outlook interacts with other programs, including Microsoft Access. In the Trust Center, switch to the Programmatic Access tab. This is the key area for controlling the security prompt. Here, Outlook evaluates whether to warn you when another program tries to send mail. The decision is based on your antivirus health. When antivirus is working and recognized, Outlook treats the automation as safer and removes the warning. Look for the antivirus status information on this page. It should say valid. When it says valid, Outlook typically won't prompt you with that warning, so Access can send email seamlessly through Outlook. You might also notice that the radio buttons here are grayed out. That's normal when your antivirus is reported as valid. Outlook is effectively handling the protection for you. If the status doesn't say valid, that's a signal to update or enable your antivirus so Outlook can trust programmatic access. In managed environments, your IT team may control this setting. Once your antivirus status is recognized as valid, the warning goes away without changing anything else. Avoid choosing less secure options like permanently disabling warnings, especially on shared or unmanaged machines. That's it. By opening Outlook, navigating to File Options, Trust Center Settings, and then Programmatic Access, you can confirm your antivirus status and allow Access to send messages without interruptions, without turning off security. This approach preserves protection while keeping your workflow smooth. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you send email from Access through Outlook more efficiently and securely.